Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to wander down to the bottom of Porcupine Gorge in Queensland.
Porcupine Gorge is 74 kilometres north of Hughenden on the Kennedy Development Road. This section of the road is fully sealed.
We parked in the day use area at the Pyramid Campground and wandered over to the Pyramid Lookout. There are lovely views of the gorge and the pyramid from this lookout.
The walk to the bottom of the gorge is a 2.4 kilometre return walk and takes about an hour and a half. It is rated moderate and you follow the rough, rocky track as it descends deep into the gorge.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
When you reach the gorge, there are large rocky platforms, towering sandstone cliffs with multicoloured layers and several rock pools with crystal clear water.
Porcupine Gorge National Park extends for more than 25 kilometres along Porcupine Creek, and over millions of years the creek has carved an impressive canyon which reveals strata layers of sedimentary rocks. In the wide section of Porcupine Gorge, the eroding action of the creek has created the pyramid, an isolated monolith of multicoloured sandstone rising from the gorge's floor.
We walked to the base of the pyramid and enjoyed a refreshing swim in the freezing cold water of a large rock pool.
You can also take a scenic flight over Porcupine Gorge with Fox helicopters, which looks like a lot of fun.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to wander at wanderexplorediscover.com.